Hello students, welcome to social online class. So our today's topic is road safety. It is road safety. So in this unit we are going to learn about the safety measures which we are going to do while walking in the road. So this road safety, it includes three hints here. They are importance of road safety. So in this unit we are going to learn about the importance of road safety, and then the road rules, and then the traffic signals. Listen children, there are three types of traffic signs are there. So three types of traffic signs which we should follow, which we must follow that. So these are all the types, which is mandatory road signs, cautionary road signs, and the last one is informatory road signs. So these are all the three types of traffic signs. Okay, so we'll recall it again. So the first method is mandatory road signs, and then the second one is cautionary road signs, the third one is informatory road signs. Okay, so now we are going to see about these three categories in a detailed manner. So the first category is mandatory road signs. So the first method now, that is mandatory road signs. So what do you mean by mandatory? Have you heard this word before? So mandatory means must. So the thing which we must follow, that is known as mandatory. So it is a must following thing. Okay, so mandatory road signs means nothing but the symbols. Okay, so the symbols which is used to indicate something, so that is known as signs here, that is mandatory road signs. So these are all the mandatory road signs which we can see while walking on the road. Did you notice that children? Listen here. So here is a symbol which is a circle here, and then an upward arrow is here, but a cross line is also there. No, if there is a cross line, we should not do that. If there is a cross line in the symbol, we should not do that. That is no entry. So this is a symbol which is used to indicate no entry. That means we should not enter into the particular place. Okay, we'll move to the next symbol now. That is, see here, there is a circle and one arrow is upward direction and one in downward direction, and here is also a cross line but which cuts only one arrow. So this means this symbol indicates it is an one way. So only this direction should go there. This is not allowed. So this is one way. And see here this symbol. So here is an right direction arrow is there, and that is also a cross line. So that means no right turn. We should not turn right. Okay. If this symbol is there on the road, if we are driving on a vehicle, we should not turn right. So this indicates no right turn. And then see here. So this is the left side arrow. So same way like right arrow. Okay, we should not turn left. That is no left turn here. And then this is the last symbol. So these are all the symbols which we have noticed while walking on the road. No, see here this arrow is inverted like an U. So there should not be no U turn here. We should not turn here. So this symbol indicates no U-turn. Clear children? So these are all the mandatory road signs which we should follow while driving or else while walking on the road. So once again we'll recall all the signs. The first one is no entry, and second one is one way. Third is no right turn, and then no left turn. The last thing is no U-turn. So these are all the mandatory road signs. Listen children. So the next type is cautionary road signs. So the previous type is mandatory road signs. So in mandatory road signs, the symbols are given in circular shape. No, But in cautionary road signs, the symbols are given in triangular shape. Okay. So mandatory means the things which we have to do must. It is definite. Okay. And what do you mean by cautionary? So this cautionary road signs, it gives information about the current situation of the road. Okay. So we are going to see the symbols now. So see here, there is a narrow bridge like symbol which is given inside the triangular shape. So this indicates the narrow bridge. So this symbol, it indicates the narrow bridge. And the next symbol, so there is a cross which is inside the triangular shape, that is the crossroad. Okay, so this symbol, if this symbol is there, it indicates the crossroad. And see here, it's like children. Okay, so this indicates a school there. If this symbol is there, we are moving, we are near to the school. Okay, and the last symbol, the last previous symbol is like a left turn. So this is left side, no? So the arrow is moved towards the left. So there is a left hand curve. So while we are driving in a vehicle, we should be careful because there is a left hand curve. So we must move our vehicle according to that. And then the last symbol is like a man is there and he is working, he is doing something. So men at work. If this symbol is given while walking or while driving on the road, there is a work is going on and some people are involved there. So this indicates men at work. So these are all the cautionary road signs. So cautionary means for prevention. Okay, so the information which is given before, that is known as cautionary road signs. Okay, and this cautionary road signs which gives the information about the road situation. It gives information about the road situation, and here the symbols are given in a triangular shaped box. Okay, so we'll recall it once. The first symbol is narrow bridge, and then the second one is crossroad. The third is school. It indicates the school. We are moving to the school there. And then fourth one is left hand curve. The last is men at work.